nandito kayong dalawa because both of you decided to choose each other. Hindi lang kayo nagkataon na nandito ngayon sa harap ng isang puting simbahan. Nandito kayo ngayon dahil pinili ninyong itapat ang inyong puso sa isa't isa.
Sa wakas, kakasal na kami sa church. Mababasbasan na ni Lord. Yun po. Kinakabahan. I meditate and realize how lucky I am to have something that can't be conveyed, something inexplicable. It's days like this I realize how happy I am to be spending my life with someone who can give you your evening calm.
You came into my life unexpectedly. 2 years ago, at kahit ngayon, we are having so many difficulties. Mga indifferences ng bawat isa na nauuwi sa madalas na pag-aaway. But God is so great and powerful. Mas nauuna pa rin ang pagmamahal ng bawat isa. Hindi mo ko iniiwan at hindi sumusuko sa kahit anong mga struggles ko sa buhay.
Aliza, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, I do, Father.
Today, I carry your heart with me. I am never without it. Anywhere I go, you go. I have so much of you in my heart that as I'll walk down the aisle in a while, I know I'll have my everything. Love, Aliza.
Breathe it in and out. This is what it's all about. These are the moments we live for. Once in a lifetime, everything we want and more. This is the start of a new day, the good life. These are the moments we live for.
I know we were only at the start of a long journey of life, but by God's loving grace, we can do this, and we can make a beautiful family together. Mahal, always be as you are, smile, relax, and I will always be with you forever. I love you.
These are the moments we live for. Once in a lifetime, everything we want and more. This is the start of a new day, the good life. These are the moments we live for. These are the moments we live for. These are the moments we live for. Breathe it in and out. This is what life's all about.